Hello everyone. I'm sure this is the situation in most houses. Getting fruits and vegetables is a task, but making sure that they are in hygienic conditions to consume is a mandatory task. So today, I have something that is not only going to make this task easier, but is also something that I can trust to keep my fruits and vegetables clean. Her recipe ka pehla step, NimWash. So now, I'm going to show you how to use this. So take 1 liter of water, pour it over your vegetables. Into this, now I'm going to add in half a cap of NimWash. And now let this soak for 15 minutes. So now 15 minutes are done, let's rinse these vegetables under running water. The fact that NimWash has 100% natural action formula that washes away pesticides and 99.9% germs, that I can just concentrate on my recipe as all my worries of keeping my fruits and vegetables clean are taken care of. The recipe of the day is Veg Manchow Soup. So let's begin with the recipe. I'm going to start with heating 1 tablespoon of oil. Turn on the flame. The oil is nice and hot and goes in the ginger finely chopped, garlic finely chopped and celery finely chopped. Just stir fry these for a few seconds. Next goes in half a capsicum finely chopped, half cup cauliflower finely chopped, 1 carrot finely chopped, 3 baby corns finely chopped and half cup of cabbage finely chopped. So stir fry these vegetables for a minute. So the vegetables have been stir frying since a minute, and now into this I'm going to add in the sauces. So 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Give this a mix. Next, I'm going to add in 3 cups of water. You can even use vegetable stock if you have it handy. Bring this to a boil. I will also add in salt. Go easy on salt because there's enough soy sauce in this soup. Also pepper to taste and let this boil. While the soup is boiling, let's make the cornflour slurry. So take 1 cup of water. Into this, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch or cornflour. Give it a good mix and make sure there are no lumps. The soup has been boiling since the last 2 to 3 minutes. Into this, now I'm going to add in half a tomato, deseeded and finely chopped. Let this boil for another minute. After a minute, let's add in the cornflour slurry. Give this a stir and let it boil till the soup thickens. The soup is nice and thick and ready. I'm going to turn off the flame and start to serve it. So the soup has to be served with some fried noodles, and it's very easy to make these fried noodles. All you need to do is take the dry Hakka noodles, soak them in water for 15 minutes, drain out all the water and pat dry. And after that, deep fry till they're nice and golden brown. So now goes in some noodles. Crunchy noodles and a hot piping bowl of soup. What else would you want? Also, garnish with a little bit of spring onions and serve with chili vinegar. This soup not only tingles your taste buds but also soothes your cravings. So yes, NimWash as the first step and these simple and amazing recipes is the best combination you could have asked for. Also, there is zero presence of any chlorine or chemicals, because of which there is no odor in the veggies or in the final recipe. So please remember, har recipe ka pehla step hai NimWash. So for more such recipes, stay tuned to Rajshri Food and I will be back. See you. Bye-bye.